Alright, welcome back traders for an ad hoc Thursday evening live stream. Thank you guys so much for joining me tonight. Just wanted to cover the markets here. I've been a little absent the last couple days, just kind of letting things play out here, right? Obviously it's never fun to watch the markets just trade red for a subsequent period of time. It's good to take a little break, you know. But let's get back to the charts here, right? So we had this rising wedge. It broke down. We did about a 25% move down, almost. We touched pretty close to 44.8 here on the Coinbase chart, and we're still in a bear flag here, guys. So I do expect maybe one more leg down here on the 4-hour time scale. We're looking that way. We're going to come back down to this $45,000 area. All right, that is definitely going to be tested. We are breaking down out of this bear flag right now on the 4-hour time scale, and so definitely be on the lookout for that. We did just print a new daily candle, and we can obviously take a look at oh guys, wow, my trade is going bad. Well, I'm sorry to hear that, Johnny. So we can see the daily. Obviously, we got this rejection here today around that $52,000 area, confirming continuation down. So we're looking at like another 8% move from this breakdown. All right, I'm targeting this next fib here around this 44,870 area. As you guys can see, we are still technically on the daily, still in bullish territory. All right, so we're not. This is normal, man. We've been pretty much parabolic now since I want to say July, right? Like since we broke out of the pennant back here in July, we've basically just been straight up with no real market corrections. You know, we had a little dip here. We had this consolidation here back in January. I think we're going to get something similar to what we saw back here, right? So I don't think this is the end of the run. Everyone's like, oh, this is the end of the bull market. I don't think that's true. The equities markets are also selling off right now as well, in conjunction with the crypto markets. So I think just 30-40% corrections are pretty normal. We had many of them in the 2017 run up. So I'm not really getting discouraged by this. Obviously, it's not fun if you're invested and you're watching your on paper dollars go lower because the market's going down, right? Yep, Todd, exactly. This is just a nice little correction that we're going to see. And we broke the 236 fib extension. I'm looking for value areas on Bitcoin here between the 44,700 area to the $41,000 area, up to a 50% retrace from the top here, from swing low to swing high. Okay, these are going to be the value areas for Bitcoin, I think, here in the short term. All right. So obviously plan your trading strategies accordingly. If you aren't a fan of taking short positions, such as myself, I don't like to short things in bull markets. I'm going to wait for these value areas here for Bitcoin to get to assess a longer term perspective, because once we get this 30-40% correction, we're probably going to continue much higher in the price, like just like we did here, right? We had a nice little consolidation here before a nice little run up, and we'll probably form the same type of consolidation pattern as we did down here, as we're doing now. It might seem a little extended or drastic. It's happening faster than it did back here, right? So we're already on day 3 of the correction, okay, and we've already dropped 30%, right, or close to it. So I don't think we have that much more down to go. If we are truly in a bull market, I would expect this 382 fib extension, or close to the 382 fib extension, to hold between this, like I said, between 41 and 44.7, to be an area of value and of reversal. Okay, so I figured I'd come on tonight and just kind of cheer you guys up and let you guys know that this is normal. This is normal in bull markets. All right. We did have an amazing trade setup here in the alert service this week. We actually called out, or I should say I actually called out GME on Monday. I'm going to show you guys that real quick just so you guys know. One second here. Yeah, so I called this out on the 22nd. I think that was Monday, right? Yeah, Monday. I said swing it for the week. I said GME $45 calls this week. Looks like we can get a nice retrace up, and I gave an entry. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to just go through real quick why I call this out. Do I think it could hit 100K by December? You're talking about Bitcoin? I think it's possible we could see it even sooner than that, to be honest. Depends how fast we have this correction and what the market appetite is, the equities markets too. Unfortunately, we are still sort of trading with the equities markets. You know, they kind of trade in tandem, right? So if the S&P is looking bearish and you know, the Dow is looking bearish, then you know, we might get pullbacks in the crypto market as well. So, hey, nice going on the AMC for sure. AMC was also a good play. I just thought there was more upside on. Yeah, I think we could see 100K by July. Don't quote me on the timing, but I think by July is a possibility. Okay. Yeah. So let's go to GME real quick. I wanted to just cover that so you guys had an understanding of why I chose this stock. And really it has a lot to do with what the STP indicators offer. Okay, so not only, you know, were we just sitting in the RSI down here around 36, and we just had a big retrace, right? Don't forget, this thing went up to like what, almost $500, and we're sitting around you know, 40 bucks. And I was thinking to myself, man, it would only be normal if it got a common retrace before maybe before going lower, right? So indeed, we did get that retrace. We did retrace about 200 or so percent from the top here to the bottom. Obviously, this was a back test here that I had spotted, and I saw volume starting to pick up here. It was, you know, diminishing here on the 22nd, which is when I entered the trade, and yeah, I mean, obviously this really worked out. I didn't think it was going to get that big of a move, but hey, man, I mean, when you're in this type of squeeze, the directional movement index indicator was telling me that there was a major squeeze going on here. We had an MFI buy signal that came in, as well as on the Bollinger Band, you could see that there was tightening happening here on the range, right? So this was like a perfect example of a trade that was low risk, right, for the long side, and you guys think the music is annoying? All right, I'll change the track. I'm trying out this new epidemic sound. If you guys don't like it, man, I understand. Just let me know in the comments section, all right? Hey, Passive, how you doing, man? Yeah, definitely continue to give me feedback about the music, guys, because I've changed the music that I've been using. So YouTube didn't really like the music I was using beforehand. So anyways, nice little falling wedge opportunity we had here. We traded this. This was nice, and I just wanted to kind of recap that, go through that with you guys tonight. And we'll go back to Bitcoin here. As we can see this bear flag play out, we just got the breakdown. And we're coming right now up to the one of the Fibonacci extensions here, the 46,500 area. So we'll see if we can hold these lows. If we can hold these lows, then that'll negate the bearish pattern that we're in right now. Obviously, this 4-hour candle just started. We are still producing this negative momentum here, as you can see on the STP volume momentum indicator. And looking left here, we are at a major level of we are at a support. Okay. Passive, I'm good, man. I'm just kind of hanging in there, watching the action. How accurate is your bot? Well, I mean, you can go. Let's pull up some of the results people are having here in the Profit Gains channel, and you can see yesterday some gentleman made $23 yesterday. I mean, doesn't sound like a lot of money, but he's probably trading on a fairly small account. Here's a gentleman showing a $4,342 day. He's made $21,844 using this SAR bot. No, Lemon, I'm not in any current trades, okay? What's up, man? What's up, AS? How you doing? All right, so let's see if, I mean, we did get this little bit of a breakdown here. We're probably going to end up coming up back to back test this breakdown. We'll see how Bitcoin reacts. We are going into a squeeze on a 15-minute, guys. So you can see that we are at potentially a long opportunity here on Bitcoin on the shorter time scale. So you could look to scalp this back up. Okay, you can see the divergence here on the RSI. We've made a lower low on price, but we're making higher lows on the RSI. And we got 1, 2, 3 MFI buy signals coming in right now. Yep, I can look at BNB for sure. So yeah, like I said, we were showing some sort of signs of bullish divergence here on the 15-minute. We could get you know, a back test up to this $48,000 area before maybe rejecting it and going one more leg down. Yeah, we'll look at ETH here. Sure. What's up, Chris? We're trying to find support right here. Looking left, you could see that this was the major area here before the breakout on ETH. Yeah, this could be an area of value for sure for Ethereum. On the 15-minute, we are showing this divergence as well. Again, this is a smaller time scale, but we're definitely showing here on the RSI some divergence. Okay, you know, lower low on the RSI, or same low on the RSI, but lower low on price. Okay, we had this bear flag play out pretty well. Let's go to like a 4-hour on ETH here. Oh, we've come down to the same, almost the same lows, maybe even a higher low so far. And the 15-minute is showing that divergence, okay? So that's good that we're showing that right here. And you can see we're coming out of negative momentum on the 4-hour. We're starting to. Let's see if we can get out of this negative momentum. The 4-hour also showing this hidden bullish divergence. That's sort of already played out, right? We had this big move up here. A little bit of a move up here, and now we've come back down. We'll see if this divergence plays out here on the 15-minute. We are showing these signs of a move up here on the 15-minute. And we could just get a move back up to the supply line here at 1600 before maybe rejecting and come back down and if we end up going bullish, you know, this could be the pump up and then the back test before we go. All right. And I'm liking this 15-minute chart here on ETH. We're about to cross up here on the DMI. And if you guys aren't familiar with our newest indicator, guys, this is the indicator that is making lots of folks anywhere from 2 to 6% a day. The Sar Indicator is your friend. This is the bot that everybody's talking about and ranting and raving about. We're still throwing shorts here on the Sar Indicator. What's going on, Ramsey? If you guys are liking the content here, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick the little bell if you guys enjoy the content here at Swing Trade Pros. Yes, I'm going to get to BNB right now for you guys. I did call that breakout at $140, and I said it would go straight up. I said it would break right to the 1618 fib extension, and it actually exceeded it a little bit. We went to like 350 instead of 320. So here's BNB. Everyone's asking about it. Probably one of the most beautiful structures on the charts right now. This nice parabola structure made a major breakout. Sebastian, we'll get to FTM here in a second. Yep. All right, so we've come back down to this 229 area. We're obviously in oversold territory here on the 15-minute. All right, but we are still creating this negative momentum, so no real help from our oscillators here just yet. Maybe the RSI is showing signs of maybe a bounce we'll get here on the 15-minute time scale. But the larger time scales like the 4-hour and the hourly, here's the 4-hour. The 4-hour still showing some bearish divergence, okay, on the momentum oscillator for now. Lower highs on the momentum. But we could get one more, you know, dump before we go up, okay? That's what we want to see. We want to see this histogram island be made and then, you know, start to make this negative momentum again and then make that divergence, okay? And yeah, I would say a good target here for BNB is probably come back down to these 220 areas, all right, and just consolidate up here. We could even do this. It's possible we get, you know, some sort of move like this where we just trade sideways for a bit before we're going up again, all right? And we'll do Phantom. So FTM actually went a lot further than the projected ascending triangle here. I had a move up to about 37 cents. It went way past that. I went to like 87 cents. So they must have had some good news or something to catalyze that move. But yeah, I expect you know, a correction for sure incoming from this asset. It's been outperforming the market actually. It didn't even have a correction. It literally just been going up 25% every day. since the correction actually started. But let's get some major targets here on FTM. 3,000%. You know, your next real major target is that dollar, you know, that $1.15 area. Once you get probably a retrace here back down to like, you know, 40 cents or something. Okay. Yep, ADA. Can I tell you more about the SAR indicator and also what's different with the normal one? Sure, the normal indicators are some of what you're seeing on my screen right now, the RSI band indicator, the STP buy sell zone, so these candles that turn blue and red like this give you indication of market direction. The SAR indicator is a different indicator that is used for our bots, and obviously we'll trigger longs and shorts based upon price action, and you know, when it crosses above or below the moving averages up here, and this major trend line you're seeing here, if Bitcoin decided to break below, or this is FT or ADA. If ADA decided to break below 53 cents on the daily, then the whole trend would change, right, to bearish. Hang on, let me get rid of this song. I got this picture. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of these tunes right now. Hang on a second, guys. Trying to find some good tunage. Xana, yeah, I do. I am long Algorand. I'm long GRT, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I got a bag of Chainlink. I got a couple other bags as well. Alright, yeah, so ETH breaking down right now. ETH about to make a trend change on the daily time scale here. Once we break below 1300, the trend will officially change to a bearish trend. I can look at Engine, I can look at Sushi, yeah, sure. It does have trading view alerts. Yes, you can set up the alerts with it. Absolutely. It's exactly how people are running this indicator. Yep. Crypto passive, yes, absolutely it will. So here's Engine Coin. All right, it literally just broke out. It had a breakout. It's back testing the breakout right now. We are showing a bit of divergence here on the momentum, right? And we got that move down, right? We got that move down here on the daily time scale. Todd is definitely the gentleman you want to speak to about the bot. I am more of the manual trader here, okay? Let me get back to Engine Coin real quick here. Obviously, if the market continues down, you know, obviously this is going to probably go with the market, even though this does look still kind of bullish, where we're still holding on to some positive momentum, but we want to see more spikes of positive momentum come in with this asset. On the daily time scale here, we can see that we are towards the bottom here on the S&P DMI. We're still technically in bullish territory around 58. Right, exactly. Our stochastics are pointed back up here on the daily for this asset. However, it can all be negated pretty fast if Bitcoin and the major cryptos start to go down. Okay. And also, what I also want to look at is what do you think about ETH? We covered it earlier in the stream. I said it could break down to that 1350 area. That's a definite possibility. And Bitcoin, I was looking around that $44,000 to $41,000 area as a value area. All right. Let's go back to Bitcoin here. Yep, I said that before, Aaron. I gave a range. Obviously, I don't know exactly where it's going to reverse, but you know, this $44,000 area, 44.6, is a major 382 fib extension. So we're a couple $1,000s away from that area, and if we do break that, then we're looking at 41K. I think as the next major, 42 to 41K as the next major area. All right. If you guys could, make sure you guys smash up that like button if you guys are enjoying the content here. If you're new to the channel, or if you're not new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and tick the little bell. If you guys are interested in any of the SCP products that you guys see on stream here tonight, you can either go to the Discord. I'm going to get that here in the description for you guys. I'm going to get that here in the chat for you guys. Sorry about that. And let me get that for you guys. So the Discord is posted now in the chat. I'm going to pin it for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about the Sar Indicator or our normal indicator package, if you're just learning how to trade and you want to try out our indicator package here, definitely message myself, Mr. Know-It-All, SCP Todd, or any of the STP team members or mods. They would be glad to help you. And obviously, any of the community members as well, okay? I'm sure there's plenty of people in the community that will help you if you don't get in touch with one of us. All right, so the SAR indicator here is probably our most accurate indicator. And yeah, I can put up a uni for you, man. No problem. We do have some shorts coming in on uni. I'm just going to turn this off for just 1 second so I can do a little bit of technical analysis here. So we started to create this positive momentum, but Obviously, we're seeing that this is now pointed down, okay? He plans to offer SAR through 3 commas. No, we are not going to be offering our indicators through 3 commas, no. We don't do that right now. CHR, sure. We can check that out. So much of the same that we're seeing right now is a lot of, I mean, this went on a major parabolic move, had some consolidation, and is starting to break down with the rest of the market, right? Taylor, for which asset? Bitcoin? Ethereum? Be a little bit more specific. I don't know what asset you're talking about. So Bitcoin, I said before, between that $44,500 area and $41,000 area, I think is a value area for Bitcoin. There is a free trial if you're looking to trial the buy-sell zone indicator, which is what I had up on the screen here a second ago. Like, so right now, this is on a 5-minute chart, but this is indicating price action to the downside on the 5-minute chart here. I personally like to use the RSI bands and the buy-sell zone indicator. So obviously, you know, you're below the green band area here. You could be looking for long opportunities for. Yeah, we can pull up the market cycle chart, sure. Yeah, Taylor, that's the first major area, I would say, between around that 46.5 area. I bought a lot of those buy-sell indicators before, and to be honest, some are better than other ones. Isn't there a test method for a few days? No, we do not offer a test or trial right now on the SAR indicator. Okay. Okay, so we can see that that the tether dominance is diverging down here. I know there's a lot happening on this chart, but you can see the tether divergence down here, and you can see that big head and shoulders pattern that we made up here, right? We were making this divergence, right? If I can zoom in a little bit for you guys. Right, here it is. So we were making these this divergence here, which caused this big sell-off, and you could see that the bullish divergence here on the tether dominance, indicating price action to the upside for the dominance, indicating a market sell-off here. Okay. Hopefully that's helpful, guys. We're gonna look at ADA. Let's take a look at it real quick. ADA looking like it might have put a double top in. Right. Top, double top. I don't know. Did we make a higher high candle body wise? Nope. We just made a lower high here, guys. So ADA could trend down now. We can look at ETH again, sure. We're coming up to this major support here around 1440s. All right, we break that. We're looking you know, that 1200 area, that 1220 area, the 1272 fib extension, and looking left, that's these major areas right here. Gonna look at 1 inch. Yep, sure. Let's do that. A lot of these charts are gonna look similar right now, guys, because the market's doing one thing. It is correcting. All right. So we're making this divergence here again on the 4-hour. We are in bearish territory here on the 4-hour chart. If we can round, I mean, this looks better than a lot of other assets. If we can round out here, you know, continue to just make higher lows and higher highs, we could probably get out of here. But if there's a lot of selling pressure that comes in, the technical analysis won't hold up. It'll just follow Bitcoin and what it's doing. All right, so let's take a look at dominance real quick. I would assume that dominance is going up as the market's going down because everyone's probably selling their altcoins into Bitcoin here. So it's up slightly. It's not really anything significant right now, but it is trending upwards, as you guys can see. I'll look at OG, sure. I don't know what that one is, but let's look at it. Well, if we're getting downside targets here, we're looking at you know, $3.15 as your next major level here on the daily. You know, this basically your demand line right here, so you're at it. Yeah, I mean, I don't think we're going to do a 126% move down, but it's very possible we do half that move on this asset. You know, if we get a major correction, we're probably going to do, you know, a 30-40% correction on this asset too. Why not? It'll just dump with the rest of the market, right? Dodo, is that a real thing? Actually, I heard of that. Is that a... Okay, yeah. I mean, it's in a flag right now, but that doesn't mean much if we go into a market correction. This flag could easily be negated, and we could make new lows. Why not? There isn't really enough chart data here to really do any sort of analysis on it, but we could go from the top wick to the bottom wick here. And see, you know, we're breaking the lows right now. We're breaking the candle body lows right now. The absolute low here is the 350 area, and we break that area. We're looking down to the 1272 fib extension, which is around that 260 area. All right, so we could see a continued move down, possibly, unless Bitcoin finds a bottom, and then the market will bounce. Back to Bitcoin. Hey, if you guys are enjoying the content here, make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and make sure you guys tick the little bell. I see that we have almost 55 viewers, and we only have 26 likes. Let's get those numbers up tonight, guys. I really do appreciate all of your guys' support in doing that. Let's see. Bitcoin at the fib right now on the 4-hour. Yeah. Equities market's down big today, yep. Why is Bitcoin crashing so hard right now? This is, in my opinion, this is just a normal market correction. Also, guys, do keep in mind that Bitcoin hit one of the major fib extensions from the major pattern here. It didn't quite get to, excuse me, it didn't quite get to 61,000. It stalled out right before it, but you know, it's you know, going to be a major, I think, a major correction. 30-40% corrections are normal after you hit measured moves on these types of patterns. Okay. If you guys want to check out our indicators, make sure you guys check out our Discord. It's pinned in the message or the chat here. And once you guys get into the Discord, guys, all right, under STP services, you click STP trial. Actually, I'm not even sure if our bot is actually running right now. It seemed to be having an issue before. That's something I'm going to have to look into further. I messaged myself, Mr. Know-It-All, STP Todd, and we'll help you guys out in terms of getting a free trial. All right. I'm losing so much money right now. Should I sell or hold? I'm not here to give you financial advice, brother, but if you're in a trade, what do you think about the F2 pool dumps? I think that's real, man. If those guys want to take profits, they're more than welcome to take profits, right? Who's to stop them from doing that? 44,000 area, guys, is this next support, okay? Once we break these wicks. Guys, this is on TradingView, all right? All right, guys. Let's see what Bitcoin's up to right now. We are in the green band territory right here on the 15-minute. As you guys know, green band territories are value areas for Bitcoin, or really any asset on the indicator here. Coming down to this area once again. See how we do down here if we get some buying pressure to come in. Bitcoin does look weak right now. I agree with you. We are starting to flash MFI signal here on the hourly chart. So yeah, classic bear flag situation. We got the breakdown. We're coming back down to this major area here on this $45,800 area, or 45,480 area. All right. So the bottom of the green band territory, I think, is like major value on the 4-hour. But like this 41,000 area I was talking to you about, and starting around this 44,000 to 41,000, 39,000 area, like in this, basically in this green band territory range is where we're really looking for Bitcoin for areas of value. Yes. Okay. You guys are enjoying the stream tonight, make sure you guys smash that like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and if you're not new to the channel and you're just viewing the content, not as a subscriber, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, tick the little bell, get all of our updates here at Swing Trade Pros. If you guys are wanting to try the products out today, are you agree note if you don't go lower than 36K on March 6th? I don't know why that date is so imperative or important, but we're looking for uptrend again within 6-7 months to 100K. I think if we hold these areas, man, we're gonna go to 100K pretty fast, to be honest. So it really depends on how the market structures and how the market develops over the coming days, weeks. Okay. Crypto Alias, welcome. like I was saying before, guys, if you're interested in any of the STP products, or you're interested in the Zoom sessions that I do group sessions for, guys, head on over to Swing Trade Pros website, click on the shop here. Daniel, yes, I did. I called that out at 15 cents. Went all the way to 70 cents, right? So real-time trading indicators here. This is this is a manual trading indicator package. You can also run our scalping bots off of on the re-entry indicator. The stock options and crypto alerts, if you're interested in our daily stocks and options crypto alerts in the Discord, where I called out GME. If you guys are just joining, this was a major call out. If you're interested in running our automated trading bots, the Sar Indicator. All right, guys, I had this on stream for you guys before. The Sar Indicator is one of our most accurate trading indicators for the bots. We have users earning anywhere from 2 to 6% a day. All right, the Sar Indicator pretty much signaled short up here on February 21st. You would have caught this whole move down on shorts. All right, we're coming up to this major support area here on the 15-minute time scale. Let's cover the action for you guys here tonight. We're diverging again on the 15-minute. Going into that squeeze here on the 15-minute chart. This could be an area for a scalp trade if you guys are looking to trade the back test from the bear flag breakdown. Okay. Ways to free crypto. Yeah, absolutely, right? We're all looking for that back test right now. A lot of people are stuck in long trades right now on this way down. I do think we're going to get this back test, okay, around this $48,000 area. You can see we're going into this squeeze, all right, and we're probably going to squeeze to the upside, right? We've been going down for quite some time. Daniel, entry point in terms of long or short? Eric, what's going on, brother? Hey man, my pleasure, my pleasure. We are really starting to show some signs here of maybe a bounce, okay guys? But we are still showing this momentum, this negative momentum, all right? So there is that caveat there that This is maybe a short-term bounce if we do get it. Can you check coin CRO? Yeah, I'm sure we can check it. So this is the floor, right? See that this is the floor here. I mean, I'm looking at a 15-minute chart. It's definitely oversold on the 15-minute. All right. You're currently right at a demand line on CRO, on the 4-hour anyway. You've made a series of lower highs so far, so this is a pretty important spot. If you break this support here, you could see a big move down. If you break this, you know. You know, we could see 12 cents if we break this, guys. Probably the next target for it. But we're literally right at the demand line. Like I said, the 15-minute looks like we're gonna try to push up here. Look at all this squiggling going on right here. This is lots of consolidation at this, or not consolidation, but lots of pressure being built up down here on the 15-minute. You can see that the DMI is in a squeeze. All right, it's in a squeeze. We're going to see if Bitcoin decides to make its push up. We were just talking about how it's showing signs of oversold on the 15-minute. Maybe we get a push up from Bitcoin as well. Coming pretty close to this support here at 45.7. All right. It is for sure building up. Again, we're on a 15-minute time scale here, and we're clearly in bearish territory, right? Four-hour, coming pretty close to this area here again. This $45,500 area is a critical area for Bitcoin. If that area is broken, guys, we are looking around this 42.5 area and maybe on down to this $41,400 area. Okay. If you guys are enjoying the content here, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And if you're not new to the channel and you're just watching the content, make sure you guys also hit that subscribe button and tick the little bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. If you guys want to try out the STP indicators, make sure you guys head to our Discord. It is in the chat. It is pinned to the chat. Join the community. Join the movement. Change your financial life today. We can help you. We can guide you. You can invest the time in yourself to learn these patterns. Learn what we're looking at on the charts here. And here we go on the move up for Bitcoin. We just called out on the 15-minute chart, the 15-minute squeeze. All right, so we can trade this probably up to this this neckline here at 47.5 while live on the stream. Or no, we just went through this. We think there was going to be a temporary bounce here as we are showing signs of oversold and squeezing happening here on the DMI indicator. I do think we're going to get a back test of this breakdown. We're looking at $48,000 area on up to 48.3. All right, guys. If you guys have any other tickers tonight, please drop them in the chat. Love to take a look at them for you. Like I said, I think we're going to get a temporary relief rally here. Relief bounce, I should say. Ave. I'm sure they're all bouncing right now because Bitcoin is. Thank you so much, Crypto Passive. I appreciate that. A lot of the same thing that I just talked about with Bitcoin, all right, it's probably going to happen here with Ave. So if we're trading this back to the upside, we're looking at this this fib area here on 343. So the support and resistance levels, this is another STP indicator that can really help you identify areas of value and areas where to take shorts and long positions. Okay. Yep, so Ave on the 30-minute, you guys can see, put in a bullish hammer here. There goes Bitcoin. Already at 47K. Sean, I'm not sure, man. We can get those likes up and those subscriptions up. Awesome, Sean. Thank you so much. You guys are liking the tunes? Yeah? Nice. What do you guys think about this bottom we just called here on a 15-minute time scale? Let me check. Might be. Sorry about that, guys. Just had to close a window real quick. Guys, Wick Hunter is not an STP product, okay? Guys, let's get some hype for calling the bottom here at 46.5. Hype in the chat. Let's get some. And as you guys can see right now on the STP buy sell zone indicator, on the regular candles, we're actually, right now, we are trying to confirm a reversal. Okay? It is not confirmed just yet. Crypto passive, awesome, man. Yeah, absolutely. Message Todd, okay? Thank you so much for joining the stream tonight. You guys can see this bullish engulfing candle here on the 15-minute time scale. This is a bullish engulfing candle. Let's see if we can hold these prices up here. Remember, guys, we're still in a 15-minute squeeze. We're still way oversold here on the RSI. We could easily get a push up to backtest this breakdown, okay? It did reject here around the $47,200 area, all right, but we're still holding above this candle right now, okay? Remember, guys, the larger time scales are bearish, okay? So we're trading on it. We're calling bottoms here on a 15-minute time scale. So it's subject to what the larger time scales are showing. Obviously, like I said before, we're still producing this negative momentum for now, all right? Once we start to see this negative momentum wean off, it'll be easier to trade for sure, okay? I don't, man, I don't. Thanks so much, brother. New Cypher? I've heard about that project. I've heard good things about it. Let's take a look at it. Well, we got to this range, this 110 area, okay? Yeah, Arno, we can see it in just 1 second, man. I just want to cover this for the gentleman here. Jared, what's going on, brother? So like I said before, guys, if Bitcoin is bouncing here, there's a good opportunity, a good chance that a lot of these altcoins are going to do the same thing. And if you notice, 15-minute isn't a squeeze on this asset too. And we're showing this divergence as well here on the 15-minute, okay? Right, lower lows on price, but higher lows on the RSI, and we're sitting in oversold territory, all right? This to me means we could get a push back up temporarily on the 15-minute time scale. All right. And there goes Bitcoin, guys. We called the bottom. We called the bottom. I want to see those likes go up, guys. We have 71 people watching the stream tonight. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this Thursday evening. Let's see if we can get those likes up. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. And if you're not new to the channel and you're not subscribed, well, smash that subscribe button. Hit the little bell. Get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. If you guys are interested in the STP indicators, you can check them out and go to our website here at swingtradepros.com. Check out the real-time trading indicators. If you want crypto alerts, stock options alerts, penny stock alerts, guys, we call them all out in the Discord. Check out our options and crypto alerts here. If you're interested in a group Zoom session for this weekend, check that out. I'm the one leading that. Teach you guys some technical analysis, teach you guys the basics of trading, buying on supports, selling at resistances. If you're interested in our bots, in our crypto SAR indicator, probably one of the most accurate indicators that we offer here for the bots. People averaging anywhere from 2 to 6% daily. I'm going to show you guys some of the trade results from the channel. Years, yes, I believe that we're going to head much higher. Guys, this gentleman started using SAR indicator on February 2nd. You can see he's consistently earning $100 a day. Look at his chart, guys. He's almost earned $3,000 in 24 days. Guys, that is insane gains, all right? Let's see. From our scalping trade alert service, 170% gain on the Bitcoin trade setup posted. The GameStop trade from earlier this week, guys. Where is it? The main GameStop trade. There it is. 1,700% return on this option, guys. This is no joke. This was one of my biggest trades I ever posted. You guys can scroll through the Profit Gains channel, man. These are all people running the SAR bot. There you go. SAR killing it. He's up 30% on his DOT and 88 coin. He's averaging almost 2% a day. It looks like he's been running the SAR script since December, guys. All right, 2% a day. All right. Guys, Bitcoin, as you guys can see, is holding that 46.5 area that we mentioned. We saw this 15-minute bullish divergence forming on the chart. We're still in this squeeze, guys. I still think we're going to get this push up if we do get a continuation down. I think we're going to get this push up first, back up to $48,400 area, okay? Just be patient. If you guys entered a trade while on the stream, make sure you guys set your stops above your entry to make sure you guarantee yourself some profit, okay? Join the movement, join the Discord, check out the website swingtradepros.com. Support the channel, guys. You guys have any other tickers you guys want me to cover here tonight? Please post them in the chat. We can look at Aave again, sure. Made that perfect hammer here on the 15-minute. Bounced with Bitcoin here, just like the rest of the market. Right at the Fibonacci extension. And looking left here, you guys can see this was a major level that we got this pivot at. So, you know, a take profit area on the 15-minute for Aave would be that $348 area. We can look at IOST also, sure. Much of the same, guys, much of the same. All these patterns look the same to me. You can actually maybe even call this almost a wedge. Right? Because you're showing that divergence, right? You're showing that divergence. Well, you're not actually showing it as greatly as you were on Bitcoin here on the 15-minute for this asset, but we are showing, you know, the beginnings, guys, the beginnings of a 15-minute reversal. Okay, guys, this is the buy-sell zone indicator. This is how powerful this indicator is. Yeah, we're going to look at ETH. I know you wanted to see the support resistance levels on that. I'm going to show you that right now, okay? So ETH, the next real support here is down here at 1420 area, and the next resistance is sitting around 1569. So we have quite a swing here up to this area here, 1570, right? Is BTC dropping below 56K? I don't think it is right now. I think it's holding right around 47,000 right now. Like I said, we called the bottom here at 46.5 for you guys. All right. What's going on here? What happened to my music? See. SRM, sure. Beautiful trade setup here on SRM, guys. We are oversold on the 15-minute. We're in a 15-minute DMI squeeze that we're breaking out of right now, and we're showing signs of reversal here on the 15-minute time scale. We're going to confirm this reversal here in about 10 minutes if we can sustain this price action. UTK, yep, let's take a look at that. So what are we doing here, guys? We hit a supply line. We are we're making this partial decline, which is technically higher lows than these lows here. All right, so we had these lows down here. If we can confirm this as a higher low, this is technically, right, a higher low. So for this particular asset, if we do get a bounce here, we're looking to obviously break this resistance here on this 33 to 34 cent area. And I think that would be a good take profit if you were to take a long position here, as we don't know if we're going to see continuation in Bitcoin. Although we did call out the bottom here at 46.5. Let's get some hype in the chat for that. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell. And right now, there you go. Bitcoin is now flashing reversal signals here on the buy-sell zone indicator, live on stream for you guys tonight. Thank you guys so much for all your guys' support. Make sure you guys check out the Discord if you guys haven't done so already. Check out the indicators that we offer. Obviously, they are extremely helpful. I was just able to identify the bottom for you guys here live on stream using our indicators. If you guys want to join the Zoom sessions that I offer, guys, 1 hour of your time. Invest in yourself today. There it is, guys, 47.5. We just got to one of the take profits here that I just alerted, actually live here tonight in the Crypto Scalps alert section. As I was on stream with you guys here, Scalp on BTC. You guys are watching live on stream longs, 47.5 area. We are there. We just touched it, okay? That was a take profit area if you were in a live lev trade. All right, $48,000 is the next area to get to. Awesome, CryptoGrid. Great job. I think it's a psychological area. I don't know that we're going to get a complete rejection there. As you guys can see, in 5 more minutes, if we can sustain this price action, we're going to have a continuation candle back. Like I said, I think we're going to back test this $48,200, $300 area. All right. I can check Chainlink, absolutely. So a little bit of a deeper retrace than the other assets. Okay, but that's nothing wrong with that. Like we want to see retraces, okay, that's good, that's healthy. Again, below the green band area, these are value areas for long opportunities. In the red band area, this is areas for take profit or short positions. All right, these indicators are extremely helpful, guys, when making these decisions. And again, I think Chainlink can come back up to this 26, even all the way back up to 27 area. All right, in time. This may not happen right away, but this could take some time, a few hours, maybe a day. Can you say Pixel? You are awesome. Greetings from Demon. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me tonight. Appreciate all your guys' support. Well, all right, guys. Well, hopefully you guys have a wonderful evening here. I just wanted to give you guys some Bitcoin coverage. Obviously, we called the bottom here at 46.5. Let's see here. If you guys can put some comments in the comment section of the stream, show your guys support, show you guys love. Maybe I'll come back on live for you guys tomorrow. Check on the price action for you guys. All right. Thank you guys again so much for your time. If you're interested in joining the community, make sure you guys do so. Join the Discord, check out the indicators, check out our alert service. If you're interested in bots and learning how to set those up, check out our Sar bot. It is one of the best in the industry for sure. Nobody else is offering this type of indicator. I promise you guys that. If you're interested in investing in yourself and checking out the Zoom sessions that we offer, check that out on the website here. It's only $27 for the hour. I obviously go over the hour, guys. Come on, you guys already know that. I'm going to give you guys great value for your time. Appreciate all you guys coming out tonight again. We'll hopefully catch you guys tomorrow or maybe over the weekend, all right? Thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys leave a like and a comment and subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. We'll catch you guys then.